What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO, and today we're going to be talking about snow foaming. Now, when it comes to snow foaming, I think there's a little bit of a misunderstanding online. It's often marketed as a contactless wash solution, which in some cases is true, but unless you have a really good coating on the car, or if it's not very dirty, you're often going to need to get there with your wash mitt and remove any of the dirt. There's two main reasons why we use snow foam. The first one is it looks amazing, and it's also easy and fun. The second one, more importantly, is that it's an excellent pre-wash. Simply cover the car in a layer of thick foam at the start of your wash and let it sit and dwell. This is going to really help soften and remove any dirt on the paintwork before you rinse your car. The reason why this is so important is because if you run a wash mitt along your car and it picks up particles of dirt, it's going to move along with your wash mitt and it could cause scratches and swells. If you apply a good layer of snow foam all over the car and let it sit for a few minutes, all that dirt is going to soften up. Here I'm using Auto Glim Polar Blast with a standard pressure washer. I will leave some Amazon links in the description below. As you can see, it creates a nice thick foam, which does a really nice job clinging to my car here. Now you can buy a hand pump snow foamer, but I prefer using the pressure washer lamps since it's much quicker and more fun. Once you rinse all the foam off the car, all those hard and sharp particles of dirt are going to softly glide off the paintwork. After you snow foam the car, you give it a nice long rinse, then you're ready to start your main wash. But how clean does this snow foam alone leave your car? Let's find out. But guys, don't take my word for it. Here's an expert analysis of the cleaning level from our special guest.
Wow, look at all the snow. What would you rate it?
All clean.
All clean, yeah.
Oh, look at all that.
Wow, yeah, look at all the snow. Is Daddy's car nice and clean? Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, what does it look like? Is it shiny? Yeah. And who are you holding?
Daddy's on.
Yay.
Bite.
Oh, don't bite me.
Bite.
Ah. Oh, you naughty shark.
Bite.
Naughty shark.
Bite.
So overall, it's actually done a pretty nice job considering it's only a pre-wash, but we're not done there. Don't be fooled by these glamour shots. The car looks cleaner than it is because it's wet. Once it's dry, you'll see all the spots of dirt and grub that the foam has helped to soften up, but it's not fully removed. So in closing guys, I don't think you'd ever replace a traditional wash mitt with a snow foam. You simply can't get that nice clean finish without making contact with the car with one of these. However, the snow foam does work amazing as a pre-wash, softening up all that dirt that could otherwise scratch your paint. The snow foam we've been using in this video is Auto Glim Polar Blast, and as you saw, it foams up pretty well, and I think it does a pretty nice job. So there we have it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, because as always, it really helps me channel out. And if you want to see more videos on the C43, Mercedes tips, detailing videos like this one, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.